finally going on a Disney cruise. Literally this whole year, I've been trying to go on a Disney cruise, and for whatever reason, it just didn't work out. Whether it was too expensive, or timing didn't work out, or just so many different reasons. But I'm so blessed to be saying I'm going on a Disney cruise this weekend with my mom. It's gonna be so cute. We are going on the Disney Wish, which is the newest cruise ship, and we are going for one of the last 25th anniversary sailings, which was like one of my goals this year, was to go on a 25th anniversary Disney cruise. I'm so excited, but I leave in 2 days and I've got a lot to do. So you guys are gonna come along with me and we're gonna prep and pack. So the first thing on the agenda is to get my nails done. I have not gotten them done professionally in so long because I've just been so busy. I'm so excited to finally get them done again. And so my inspo is gonna be the Halloween nails I did last year, but I want to do them in like the shimmering seas color. I'll explain more to you guys about the 25th anniversary later, but for now, let's go get my nails done. Oh my gosh, they turned out so cute. I love them, and I'm just so happy to have my nails like done again. I also wore like little rings this time to like match the nails. I always forget to wear rings. Let me show you guys like the inspo pic so you can see like how perfect they actually came out. These were my Halloween nails I got last year, which I'm obsessed with. This is what Mickey and Minnie are gonna be wearing, so I feel like the coloring turned out exactly how I hoped. So a huge thank you to Embellish by Miriam. That's where I always go in Winter Park. She does the best nails I've ever had. Anytime I have a creative vision, she just nails it every time. So yay! Next up on the agenda is to go get coffee and food. I went to Dunkin' because it's right next to Embellished, and I haven't tried their pumpkin spice latte this season yet. So I accidentally got the pumpkin signature latte. It tastes good, but I didn't realize it has all this stuff in it. Like there's pumpkin, vanilla, caramel, and cinnamon. It's a lot. It's delicious. Just probably is gonna make my stomach hurt. And then they were kind of out of like most of their food, so I just got the little bagel minis. But I was so hungry, I just needed something. Next on the to-do list is to go to Whole Foods because I have an Amazon return. And then after that, I think I'm gonna go home because I have some packages to pick up, and then we've got to put my outfits together because I am truly leaving everything to the last minute. I don't really know what I'm wearing. Like I kind of have an idea, so I'm gonna do my Amazon return, get my money back, and then we're going back home so I can pick up my outfits and I guess start packing. We're making a coffee because I am exhausted. It's about 6 p.m. I am so tired. I've been going to bed so late, which is so bad and so unhealthy. But I feel like I've just had so much catching up to do. Also, side note, do we like this shirt? I just found it on Etsy and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. I ordered one for me and my mom, so we have little matching shirts. I think we're gonna wear it to check in because I just think it's so cute. I feel like I'm doing everything very last minute, but at the same time, I've been planning for this cruise like all year. So I've been like buying things throughout the year that I was like, oh, that'd be perfect for the 25th cruise. So I've been working really, really hard to make this happen. Never back down, never what. And I'm also hoping to not go as long between cruises next time because like I want to be a cruise girly. Like I just want to be going cruise after cruise. They're just really expensive. Anyways, let's make a coffee. I really need to update my Polaroid wall, but I ran out of film. So maybe after the cruise I'll get some and we can add some cruise photos. So this is what I usually drink. I do the Starbucks iced coffee dark roast because I really like a strong taste of coffee. Now that I'm getting older, like I really don't like sweet coffee as much, but it definitely has to have something. And so I've also been using the Silk Almond Pumpkin Spice Creamer, which honestly, it doesn't really taste like pumpkin to me. This is not my favorite creamer, but I do enjoy the taste. And I have a really bad habit of like, here's my little straw of the day. I'll link these down below because they're my favorite. But I have a really bad habit of buying a new coffee creamer every single time I go to the store. And like, I mean, they're maybe like $4 or $5, which isn't too expensive, but I never end up using all of it. So I'll end up just having like a bunch of coffee creamers and then they all expire and it's just like a waste of money. Immediate ice. while we're here, I have some packages to unbox. So I just like last minute ordered some things off of Amazon, bless the 2-day shipping. So I think I officially have everything that I need. Literally, I am being so extra. I ordered a teal Octo Buddy because the one I have right now is this pink one. Not even realizing that the case I have on right now actually is perfect for the cruise. Like, this actually is a really cute case. It's from Otterbox. They did send it to me, but it's Ariel and it says make waves and it has like kind of like that teal color. So I might just keep this on my phone, but I kind of did need a new Octo Buddy because like these are still working, but it's like coming off and it's pretty gross. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like switch this out really quick. Also, RIP to my Monsters Inc. case. I had like a million phone cases, but then I got a new phone. And so I kind of knew the Octo Buddy might ruin my phone case. So I had to sacrifice one of my Monsters Inc. ones. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so I got a little teal Octo Buddy. And in case you don't know what these are really cool. You just put it on your phone and see the colors of that is like the colors of the cruise. So that'd be perfect. And so like, especially on a cruise, these are so handy. Like as I'm getting ready in the morning or something, I can just stick my phone like to the mirror or like to the veranda or something and get videos and pictures that way, which is really cool. But yeah, so the theme of this cruise is the 25th anniversary, and I think it's called like the Shimmering Seas. They literally made a song for it and everything. You can find it on Spotify. It's called Shimmering Seas. The song makes me like cry because it has like that Disney magic in it, but it's all about Disney Cruise Line. And so I'm actually about to film a little like cruise reveal. Those are like my favorite kind of things to film, is like a little get ready with me and then ending like wherever I'm going. So that's why I put on this shirt, because I'm gonna wear it to film and I'm gonna do it to that song. It's like the 25th anniversary and they're also calling it like the silver anniversary. So how like Walt Disney World celebrated their 50th anniversary and the theme was iridescent, the Disney Cruise Line, the theme is silver. And it's actually perfect because I've just been in my silver era, like, I don't know, with my jewelry and stuff. So essentially think like teal, silver, sparkly, white. My actual favorite colors. Like this theme couldn't be more perfect for me. And it's cool because it's 25th anniversary. I just celebrated my 25th anniversary. And so did Animal Kingdom. I got some more things. This is all from Amazon, by the way. I can link everything down below and just make a little make a little Disney cruise section on my Amazon storefront. Since I am in my silver jewelry era, I put on my little silver Mickey necklace that I got from Epcot. And you know what I also had to get because I'm insane and I love a good theme? I got a silver Mickey ring. It was only like $18-ish. Not, you know, not crazy. Let's see if it'll fit. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That's actually really cute. Next up is I got these silver shorts because I thought they would be like a cute little cover up. And they look so tiny, but they're like really stretchy. Well, we'll have to try these on in a little bit, but I thought these are definitely something I ordered knowing I might have to return, but I did think these would be really, really cute for a cover up like with my swimsuit. And then lastly, I got another cover up because I love a good cover up. Okay. This is like a huge neckline. So it's definitely gonna be an off the shoulder moment, which I love. Guess what though? My mom just texted me and she said that there is a hurricane coming this weekend to the Bahamas. I did some research and it looks like Disney Cruise Line typically doesn't cancel their cruises. Like it'd have to be a really extreme situation. But sometimes they'll reroute their cruises, which I'm totally fine with. I really don't want the cruise to get canceled. Of course, like for safety reasons, I would rather the cruise get canceled than sail in a hurricane, but I'm just hoping there is no hurricane and yeah. So it is a lot later, but I've gotten a lot done, thankfully. And last minute, I decided, please ignore my laundry going on, I decided to make friendship bracelets because I had this all out from Halloween Horror Nights and I wanted to clean it up before tomorrow because my mom is coming tomorrow, and I was like, wait, I should make a bracelet. The only dilemma though is that I don't have a ton of letters. I have enough to say DCL, but I don't have numbers because because it'd be cute to do like a 25. I don't have that. I don't have any more white beads, and I don't know what else to say. So quickly, let's make some friendship bracelets for me and my mom. But I have a whole bag of silver, so that's perfect. There's a little corn, and it has like a little smiley face on it. It's crunch time. My Invisalign is back in, so I feel like I'm lisping. Every time I film one of these videos, I always think, I can't talk. I always try to make like a super aesthetic video, thinking like, you know, I'll be in a cute outfit and I'll film this at 2 p.m. and just make it a really cute pack with me video. But every single time without fail, it ends up being 1 a.m. and I haven't even started packing, and I look like this and I'm scrambling last minute. And that is what this video is. But it is time to put my outfits together, because that's pretty much the last thing I have to do. So here are the outfits I need. Check-in day outfit, night 1 dinner outfit, Nassau Bahamas outfit, night 2 dinner outfit, Castaway Key outfit, night 3 dinner outfit. And for the dinner outfits, 1 needs to be Pirate Night themed if I want it to be, and then 1 is my Shimmering Seas outfit. Oh, let me show you my bracelets. I made the shimmering bracelet and it was just kind of too long for my wrist, so I was trying to think of another word I could use, and then I was like, duh, the name of the ship. So this is my little set. It just says Wish and DCL, and then I made this for my mom. Not that she probably wears friendship bracelets. Okay, so for checking in, like driving to Port Canaveral and everything, I'm going to wear the t-shirt I wore earlier, which is already hanging up, and then biker shorts, and then socks and shoes. And look how disgusting my Air Forces are. Like fully, the inside is just like gone. So please like this video so I can get new shoes. Okay, cool. So that's like check-in day. For dinner that night, I have this outfit that I thought would be so cute. That's like with the Shimmering Seas theme, but it's not my Shimmering Seas outfit. So I got these white little pants. They're from PacSun, but they're from Princess Polly. Those pants with this little top. It's not exactly the Shimmering Sea color, but I thought it would match pretty well. I also thought that would be a cute outfit for the Frozen restaurant, but it just kind of depends on like what night we eat where, and I can't really plan for that. And then with these ears too. Okay, cool, that's day 1. Day 2, this cruise is really so short. So I have this dress that I got from Aerie that I thought would be really cute for like, I'm probably definitely not gonna go to the gym. And not that I don't want to, because I would love to go to the gym. I just know myself and know that I'm not gonna have time. But I thought this would be really cute for like getting breakfast in the morning, or like walking around getting coffee, just like any sort of like leisurely things. And that can be worn like any day, second or third day. I also have this top. This is more of like the color. Like it's a teal, but it's more of like a baby blue teal. And I have matching shorts. You can do little sets. So as far as swimsuits go, I got this from Aerie. I saw it online months ago and was like, that's perfect. But I want to wear this like on the ship. I can wear it in the Bahamas, but like mainly I got it for the ship. And then I have this swimsuit that I'll probably bring as just like a backup swimsuit. I also have this teal swimsuit. That's a 2-piece. I also have this teal hat. So that's like what I'm thinking for swimsuits. I'm just gonna bring a bunch of them, but this will be a cover up because that'll go with anything. And then I'm gonna have to try these shorts on. But like I was thinking these shorts over like with this. That would be cute. I don't know where I'm gonna wear that stuff, but like the outfit is there. For night 2, this is what I'm hoping to wear. It literally came in yesterday and thankfully it fits almost perfectly. But I think it is so pretty, and just like, this is my little Shimmering Seas outfit. No idea what shoes to wear. The nicest ones I have are like these platforms, so maybe I'll do that. So that's like my big fancy outfit, the one I'm most excited for. And then for Pirate Night, which I may or may not dress up for Pirate Night, it just depends on like where we're eating that night and what's kind of going on. But I have these 2 white dresses that, you know, I'll wear one of them, and then this is for my last cruise, but I'll find something cute to do with this. I'm definitely rushing this because I need to go to bed. But that's pretty much like the gist of everything. I'm gonna have to fine tune it all tomorrow, but my mom is coming tomorrow, so I'm probably not gonna film and just hang out with her. But yeah, I'm going on a Disney cruise on Friday. I'm so excited. I really didn't think about hurricane season when I booked this cruise, so something to think about next time. As for vlogging, like, just be prepared. I know last time I did a vlog every single day, but since I'm with my mom, like, I want to vlog and I want to bring you guys along with me, but I also want to make sure I'm spending time with her off camera, because that's one of the most important things to me, is like when I'm with people, whether it's my friends or family, that like we spend quality time together. That's why you might not see me vlog like a ton with friends or family, because I don't know. Like, when I'm with them, I like to be present with them. I'm gonna do my best to do as much content as I can while also enjoying it. Hopefully this is not the only cruise we go on this year. Who knows? If you want to see more cruises, be sure to like this video and subscribe down below. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the sea. So come along and sail the